clean this camera. Yes. We're going to make a meal. It's going to be quick. It's going to be easy. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be one of my favorites. I've said it so much times. Yes, I've said a lot of meals are one of my favorites. Maybe that's just because I love making the things that I love to eat. So let's go. I pot on the stove here with some split peas in it. I just added some water. Now I would have definitely put my split peas in my Instapot, but at the moment the Instapot has pigtail in it and this is a last minute decision. So this is what we're doing. My Instapot has 1 minute again, and once my pigtails are softened, I think I'll just switch and put my split peas in here. My Instapot is done. And take it off. Take it off. Now I let my pigtails cook for 10 minutes. Let's see if it's tender enough. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Yeah. Now if I cook this for any longer, you know what's going to happen? It is going to be falling off the bone and the bone is going to turn into dust. Literally. Yeah, it does that. You see how that bone's sticking out there? Perfect. So I'm going to get rid of this water here. No, I'm not reusing it. I'm going to throw it away, rinse my pigtails, and I think I'm going to put my split peas in here. So for the sake of not dirtying another bowl, I'm going to add my pigtails here. I cannot have peas, especially split peas, without pumpkins. Carrots is optional, but you see pumpkins, I just need it, baby. Pigtails right in there, baby. Yeah. Back in the Instapot, split peas. Let's cover it. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing? 10 minutes. No more than 10. And then we start. And the temperature is going to go up. And then from here, it's going to start. Listen, I have this Instapot about 4 years now. And I refuse to remove this. This is going to stay on as long as it can. Yes. Some salt. This is from my dumplings, by the way. Some brown sugar. You all know I like brown sugar in my dumpling water. Yes. Cover that up. Yeah. Here is my dumpling. Okay, so I have some sugar, flour, and salt. And I like to add some water. Let it go down to the bottom. And honestly, I don't like kneading dumpling dough with my hands. That's why I have this baby. Look at that. It's not too... Oh. It's a stiff dough, but it's not too stiff. And it's not too soft. This is perfect for me. I'm going to let... I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes and then I'll come back, roll it out. You all know I don't like hand rolling dumplings. So here is my beautiful dumpling dough. I'm going to cut it in half. Yes. Put that aside. I'm going to roll this out to about 1/4 inch thickness. I don't like my dumplings too thick. There we go. First dough is done. I'm going to take my pizza cutter. You're supposed to be used to this, you know. And if you are new, this is how I make dumplings. I don't want to roll any dumplings out by hand. I'm just not doing it. I'm not. If you want to do, you can. Definitely, but I'm not going to do it. This is so much easier. Yeah, baby. Yeah. What I like to do, instead of stirring it, I just put my spoon around the edges and give it a little swirl because I want the dumplings to remain as flat as possible. I think that's the OCD. Like that. I'm gonna allow my dumplings to come up to a boil. When it starts floating to the top, then we will know it's done. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. So let's just leave it. Yeah. So I have my dumplings here. I had to run out the road for a little bit, so my daughter strained them for me. And I'm just going to give them a rinse to remove any excess starch. And then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the top to keep them from sticking. Let's move on to this. Yeah, just give it a little shaky shake. Here is my split peas, and it is nice and soft. It's perfect. It is perfect. So I have my veggies and my pigtail cooked up. It's smelling so good. And I'm gonna add my cooked split peas. Yes. Okay, it's splashing. Just throw all in one time. Yeah. And just give it a nice mix. Yes. So the consistency is perfect. What I want to do now is taste for salt and make sure it's well seasoned and just let it cook down a little bit. Let the pumpkins and the carrots soften up some more. And then it will all be ready, baby. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I added a bit of salt, some cumin, and some brown sugar in there just to balance out the flavors. And I'm just going to let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes and it should be perfect.